Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing regular languages to non-deterministic finite automata. We had covered regular languages in the previous slides, and corresponding to the regular expressions which we achieved, we will be generating the NFA in these slides. The first question was for sigma equal to AB, we were supposed to generate regular expression for all strings starting with A. So this is the regular expression for all strings starting with A into A or B star. So we have A followed by AB star. Since it is star, it is in loop. Minimum length of the string which will be accepted will be 1, and it is clearly evident that there is single string or n number of A and B followed by single A. Then we have all strings ending with B, regular expression A or B star B, or we have all strings not ending with A which is equivalent to A or B star B. Just see the NFA corresponding to that. Initially, we have a loop of AB, which is followed by a single length string of B from Q0 to QF. Then we have all strings starting with A, ending with B. If I see this, minimum length string which will be accepted is of two. One is A, another is B. And we have a loop which is pretty evident from this A or B and then followed by B. Next comes all strings not having AA in the end. So the regular expression corresponding to that was A or B star, AB, BA, BB. Now just say A or B star in the loop. It can be either AB, BA or BB. So we have three final states in this particular NFA. It can go either to AB, to BA or to BB. Then comes all strings having length 3. We discussed that it will be AB or AB or AB in concatenation, because the minimum length string which has to be accepted is 3. So there are two ways in which we can design this, with epsilon move and without epsilon move. AB, 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 and then when we move to final state, we move through epsilon move. On the other hand, we have two states corresponding to AB, and third state is moving back from Q2 to QF. Next we have all strings having at least two consecutive A's. That means minimum length string to A or B star, A or B star. Next we come to all strings having at least two A's. The regular expression corresponding to this was A or B star, A or B star, A or B whole star. Minimum length string to A, one A here, one A here. So we have AB in loop followed by A or B in loop followed by A, and finally A or B in loop. Next is all strings starting and ending with same character. If it starts with A, it will end with A. If it starts with B, it will end with B. That means intermediate can be AB in both cases. So we have starting and ending with A, starting and ending with B in OR state joined through this NFA. Why will this NFA have two final states? Because it can be, if it starts with A, it ends with A. If it starts with B, it ends with B. Then we have, so this is how this is diagrammatically represented. Then we have all strings starting with A have odd length and start with B has even length. So that means, now just first we need to consider what are the intuitions behind this. If it starts with A, it should have two A or B length strings, because then odd plus even will be odd. Start with A has odd length. Start with B has even length. That means it should be 1, 3, 5 and so on. So we have A or B in star, but we have one A or B in between, so that this is odd, odd plus even is even. Now this comes out to be even, and these even plus even is even. So this is how we get the expression, and corresponding to the expression, we get the NFA, which is A odd length followed by all A even length. So the total length will be odd. Second is start with B even length. So 2 will be covered here, one B, one A or B, and then even length. Even plus even is even. Odd plus even is odd. Next we come to another case where we have a given regular expression 0 1 star 0 1 star 0 or 1 0 or 1 whole star. So we have 0 1 star in loop, 0 1 star in loop, 0 or 1 0 or 1 star. Here sigma is 0 1. Next we have sigma is 0 1 1 star 0 or 1 1 star 0 or 1 0 or 1 whole star. Now come to this, we have B A star B A star A star. How we will generate this? We have B, we have A in loop for A star. Whenever it will come in loop. So we have a reverse move from here, followed by B, followed by A, and then we have A star, A in loop with A. So this is how we generate for this. Please check this question and the next question. The only difference is that in the previous question we had one A over here also, but in this case we have B A star B A star A star B A star. That means it will always loop around in this B, then A star and A star. Now just see the minimum length string which is required is one is this B, another is this B, because otherwise all the characters have a star. Star means that it can be 0 and it can range up to infinity. Now if we want to traverse from Q0 state to QF state, we have only 2 intermediate B. So that means minimum length string which is required is 2. So what we have discussed here is that how NFA can be generated from the regular expressions. In the coming slide, we will discuss second method of generating the NFA, that is through Thompson's constructions. Thanks.